first vlog. Whoa! Class A blizzard in New York City. What a hoot! POV, you're literally on my toilet right now.
Back in my kitchen. I have two of everything. That one's really almost done. It's gonna be my last cup. And I might as well keep this. You're supposed to walk him. You're gonna be so brave. Yeah, you're gonna be so brave. Yeah, she knows. Oh yeah, she knows. Oh, she came up here. I'm doing it. In my previous videos, in some of the videos that I was making, there was like a weird force field that kept appearing, like what you would see in one of those like body slimming, body altering edits. And I was like, what the frick? I've never put any of that on. And so I was just like really confused, and I think it's because this camera just told me that the jitter setting was on, and I'm like, is that what it is? Is it the jittering? So I turned it off, and I'm gonna see if that reduces the weird like I don't want it to look like I'm altering my body, and also I'm not, so it's just looking like I am. Anyways, baby girls chomping away. I need to find the, is that my hat with me? It's the bestie hat, and I have my coffee. I'm a little nervous because there's a giant freaking snowstorm. Crazy. Arab is going through that right now, and I'm not envious. I'm not envious that he gets to go in the snowstorm. I'm actually really thankful that he is doing that, and I get to stay indoors and admire the snowstorm inside, because holy. Take my bestie hat and just permanently keep this. What this is, you might ask? It is the most fun device ever to be invented. Like, I think I bought this camera for this specific reason. That's a lie. I bought it for other reasons, but one of the most fun reasons that I liked this camera was the detach part. Because it is an action camera, and so there's like a smaller version that you can do POV style. I literally can't do anything. No, I can. See? See? And then we just do this. Oh my god, you're coming off of me. You're coming off the camera in POV mode. This is so fun. Okay, so you are in POV. That's you. And this is how I do the kitchen videos, where I'm like cutting or something. You're on the hat right now. Yeah. Isn't this so fun? I just want to wear you all day. But I know you get a little motion sick in this POV. Oh, look at that. Imagine walking in the snow in this. Just absolutely atrocious. I don't know why New York is like this. It's Monday. It was always like, oh, I'm scared to be working the 9 to 5 and not having meaning in life or whatever, or feeling stuck at a company, but it was never like, hey, I'm actually scared to lose my job. So good news, I haven't been laid off. Does everyone severely dehydrate themselves for the nighttime so they don't have to get up and pee in the middle of the night? Like, I even have to time my teas, or the times that I drink my tea. I just am getting to that point in my life where I'm going to the bathroom in the middle of the night. All the freaking time. Okay, so Arb is now walking Benny, so what I'm gonna do is reply. This is the time I usually take to reply to audio messages, stuff like that. Looks like there are none. One message is from my family asking me if this snowfall is dangerous. Well, let's just take a picture. I'll take this picture. I think the rooftops look like frosting. That's the word. Frosted gingerbread houses. I don't know, I started applying to like going on the late night show or the Today Show or whatever. And I'm now receiving the rejections. Also, my friend sent me this picture of their legs in Bali. And then I did this edit. Yeah, we're talking about Love is Blind. I just said that I finished watching and caught up to Love is Blind, which is like, I don't know, 2 episodes before the end on the 10th season. I'm obsessed with my babies. And I took this picture of Lena yesterday and I had no one to show. No one to show. Actually, it's crazy because I was sending pictures back and forth of pets with my friends. And I didn't send this one. I don't know why. She looks like a goddess. And I kind of want that tattooed on my body. I had the most fun weekend making cooking videos. And this one. Oops. Don't read that. Is it even clear what it says? Anyways, I posted this picture. And essentially, I said like 1 serving size PB&J. I'm gonna eat this in 1 sitting. And then there's a layer in there. It's like a PB&J bottle. So there's like yogurt, cereal, jam, peanut butter, yogurt. What I had was Reese's Cocoa Puffs. And then I put marmalade on top. And it kind of looked like refried beans. So I said, it's not refried beans. It's actually marmalade. And I actually think I got to that layer yesterday. I was eating a lot of this. I'm not gonna lie, it was so freaking good. It actually reminded me how good peanut butter was, and I'm like, tomorrow, if I'm really feeling like it, like today, because I did this yesterday, I'ma have to eat peanut butter in some way or another. All the stubbies, but I have on my thumbs because if you put on falsies, you know the struggle and the pain of attaching or removing thumb falsies. Not falsies, removing like the thumbs of the press-on nails, because I had press-on nails, but the thumbs, I genuinely do not want to bring up my drill again. And so once it started popping off, I was like, yeah, just start popping it off. And I felt really good. And I hate like the way my fingers get sensitive when I drill too close to my nail, and then I accidentally like touch it in a weird way and it zaps me alive. And I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, so I'm gonna just keep playing around with my thumbs until they pop off eventually. I'm feeling a lot of friend love this morning. What's perfect in a snowstorm? Freaking amazing setup. This is work vibes for this morning. And I have the spring projection from Hogwarts Legacy, my favorite game in the entire world. Don't worry about the clothes in the bed. But now I'm going to be sitting there. I'm going to be sitting right here. And Lena's gonna be playing with the projection right over there. So I just watched this take on TikTok of a girl talking about unfollowing women because they either got pregnant or they got married, and a lot of their content shifted to that. And what I have to say about that is I feel for people, and I feel like the people watching should have, obviously, first and foremost, take on what they want to do. They are the ones watching. They are the ones taking the time to consume your content. So they get to do whatever they want, right? There's this one example of a girl who was a fashion influencer and then she switched to pregnancy, like motherhood. And obviously the people that were following her for fashion are not interested in motherhood and all of that from her. My biggest gripe and my biggest take is, why did you even stop the fashion in the first place? Like, yeah, you got pregnant, but you can do so much with that. You can do pregnancy fashion. You can do like informative videos on like the fashion industry. You can do like hot takes and things that change once you turn pregnant with fashion. Like, there are just so many things in the world that you can do that you don't have to immediately switch your content to like one thing just because your whole life is consumed by it. And like, yeah, pregnancy, building a family, that's a whole thing. And I understand it's a lot of effort to be raising a child or like getting ready to raise a child and also be making content at the same time. And then being upset that the people that followed you for fashion don't want to follow you for this now. I feel like that's a bad take. You should never be mad at the people trying to follow and like consume your content. I don't even know if that was a concise thought, but it was just all the thoughts that I had around that topic.
How do you do that?
You put 1 scoop or half?
I put 15 grams. So you mix this.
It's a bowl of slop.
So 60. Half a scoop is 60 calories.
So it's 160 calories right now.
Yeah.
What do you think put in your bowl?
I'm thinking a little bit of peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Because I realize I don't think I have enough fat, like healthy fat on these days, and that's why it makes me, my like emotions go up and down.
Here's my topping of choice. More protein. I'm gonna be shitting all day. Should I just man break this?
Chomp style.
No chomps.
I don't know. It's condensing
just,
it.
yeah, it's not
You gotta rip
great.
it apart.
Cookie crisp. Doesn't taste like cookies,
You want to
but
clean it up?
aesthetically, no, I don't. So I throw away the box.
Yeah, it's more Greek yogurty than Chobani.
And more calories. I love Chobani so much.
I know. Chobani is unbeatable, but I can't find it nowadays.
Still very good for Greek yogurt.
Expecting. This is not even 140 is 70. This is 100 grams.
Like 50 calories.
Yeah.
Wow.
Blueberries,
Volume maxing.
unbeatable. What is that? 100, 150, 250, 300 right now.
And about 300 too.
My bowl.
Slop. I mixed it up so it looks gross.
Done. Your bowl complete. Lunch also complete. This was lunch. All the bowls are in the dishwasher. We have run out of bowls yet again. So for the next apartment, definitely going to be organizing and buying more bowls. We have so much cutlery, but we don't have enough like bowls and plates that we can just like use. So then we're running the dishwasher all the time. And I just want more bowls. I just want more cute bowls. Sparkling ice time. Yummy juice. And since it's so cold, I'm gonna be in bed. I actually finished a lot of work this morning, so what I'm gonna do is get my jacket, sit in the chair, and do some editing on the computer to finish up the rest of my lunch. I'm sat, and it's really cool because it's winter wonderland outside. I'm not gonna go outside for lunch. Okay, that's crazy because I've never gone outside for lunch. Don't even know where that thought came from. But here's my icy. I have my sweater on. It's so freaking cold. And for the rest of my lunch, I'm just going to be doing some editing. I have my workout video, which has not enough content for me to edit or start editing that yet, so I'm gonna leave that alone.
I have one Sims video ready to edit, and I also have 2 kitchen experiment videos I can edit. What? Did you like your food? You're coming up to tell me you love your food? Wow. You're right in the camera. Lita. You're such a sweet baby girl. She does such good recall. Only when she's happy. What's your favorite? Your ass is my face. Okay, I think, yeah, I will be starting with the kitchen experiment. So for the kitchen experiment videos, I have one that I need to do like finite editing. I think I'm just gonna do that because there's videos that I need to just like cut some of the thing and then just like, it's just tedious work. But for this video, I've already done the tedious part. All I need to do is kind of go over it and add some tweaks, add some stuff. I did learn some new animation tricks yesterday. And since I have a block of time to just like focus and work, I think that's what I'm gonna focus on. I'm gonna focus on trying to add some of those animation techniques and during some like transitions or like when I'm putting text onto the screen, can do some little animation stuff there. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna focus on. Here we go. Here we go. It's the sweet potato video. I'm not sure. It's me cutting up a bag, an entire Costco sized bag of sweet potatoes, and then trying it with every single condiment in my kitchen. So it definitely was a really weird video. So I just spent 30 minutes doing an edit and I wanted to show you the outcome of what 30 minutes of editing looks like for me right now.
3-tiered dessert tower drink.
That's it. And the reason why that took so long is because I didn't know how to mask in Premiere Pro. Like, I'm pretty familiar with masking when it's a still image, but for a video it was kind of weird. And also I was looking for this one specific tool, but it seems like my version of Premiere does not have it. So I'm a little sad about that, but I still was able to mask me, put the blur on the background, and then do each individual text pop up, and then a giant picture of a cake stand. And that took me 30 minutes. And that is the reality of editing. It is fun to learn these things sometimes though. Like, just spend a lot of time doing this one short clip and then spend maybe like an hour doing a base cut for the entire video. But it's just kind of boring, you know, when you're just like cutting. Editing is so tiring. I'm so sleepy and so tired. All I do is spend time with my kitten. She is such a little baby. When I got her, she was like 6 months. So now she's like kind of getting past the really annoying phase. Hopefully more into the calm, loving phase. How about that? How about you go into the calm, loving phase? I got so distracted with working that I forgot to even show you my little snack. So here's my empty bowl. This is an empty bowl of sweet potato and seasoned peas. My thought process was I even hungry? So I said to myself, would I even eat just a bowl of peas and sweet potatoes? And the fact that I did eat just a bowl of peas and sweet potatoes means I was in fact hungry. But now I'm not hungry because I ate the bowl of sweet potatoes and peas. I guess I'm satiated. And now I have to go to a meeting in 3 minutes. I love doing something right before I need to do something else, just to spark a little feeling in here.
gonna do a leg day. Like, not Russian lady, but
The new one.
no, she's not Russian. That's the thing. You can't call her Russian lady. She's not Russian. But we will be doing her workout, and she does insane leg day calisthenics. I was going to record this for one of the workout videos that I wanted to do, but I've already done a calisthenics video. You want to do a killer legs by the same girl?
Is it? You don't need equipment?
Yep.
Let's try it.
Do a little bit of this. That was so hard. What are your thoughts?
Just when I thought I was getting used to the other one, she comes back and makes a harder one.
Even though it said killer, I didn't actually believe it meant killer workout. But I should have known if it was by her, it was gonna be killer. Yeah, so I don't know if I would actually go into that workout again, knowing now what it would be like. Like, the fact that I didn't know what I was getting into made it a lot easier. But I would have to be in a pretty masochistic mood to purposely put myself through that workout again. Seems like you think the same. Pretty
All we had to eat was Greek yogurt.
That's true. We didn't eat that much. You know,
Protein powder.
my second meal, guess what it was?
You had a second meal?
After the Greek yogurt, I had a little snack, and it was a couple sweet potatoes and a pile of peas.
That sounds so good.
It
Wait, is
actually
there more
was,
sweet potatoes?
yeah, there's more sweet
I'm gonna eat all the
potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
Yeah. I love that because I listen to so much random jazz during the day. Right after the workouts, it's always gonna put on a random little jazz.
Look at that takoyaki guy.
Which one?
The one on the right.
Oh my god. He's so cute.
I want him on my island.
I wanna go back to, what is this? Animal Crossing life.
You know about the Animal Crossing black market?
About the art pieces?
No.
Oh, where they
People would
sell and
Trade their
Trade
villagers
their
like
villagers.
slaves.
yeah.
That was a big part of it.
But at least it wasn't like the animals were that mean. Like, I saw there was someone that went back to the original Animal Crossing games, and things that they would say were so out of pocket. It was insane. Just finished my shower after the workout. One of my lashes was coming out, so then I just was like, well, might as well just rip them out. So I took out the lashes. I do need to maintain my brows, so do a little plucky pluck. So later, when my face has dried from the moisturizer I just put on, I might do a whole reset. So brows, lashes, workday is officially over. So I'm gonna go back to editing stuff. I'm like halfway done editing this cooking. It's not even really cooking, it's like taste testing every condiment with a sweet potato video. It's so funny. I just think it's the funniest thing ever, and I love the stuff that I make. I'm like genuinely laughing out loud. It's so funny. So I'm gonna just try to finish editing that. Keep talking about food. Now I want to eat some food. Guess what I want to eat?
Bread?
No, I want to eat yogurt.
You should take a look at this.
Shit, my cloud bread's so yummy. Oh my god, is that pizza? Oh my gosh, that's pizza. Wow.
Big back activities.
That looks so good.
Take a bite.
Okay, I'll take a bite. I know. I don't know how to though. It seems like. Wow.
I need more of this cloud bread.
I should learn how to make that. Really simple and delicious.
So it's just bread with cottage cheese.
It's just cottage cheese with egg whites
egg
Ooh.
and cottage cheese. It's like full keto.
I know, it's like such an amazing, and like you can flavor it so well.
Just need a little bit of loving.
That's everything though. You're gonna make something, you gotta put a little bit of love in there. For the second yogurt bowl of the day.
Talk about their recent trip to Egypt.
So, Egypt?
They went to Egypt.
Oh my gosh. Let's go to Catalina Islands, just have a golf cart around.
Wonder if we can live there.
I think you can. It'll be like 30 grams of jam. This is true PB&J yogurt bowl because I'm gonna add some jam. Smackers. And then after this, it'll be like 15 grams of this. PB&J. Yes, 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 yes. I'm just so happy whenever I see a yogurt bowl. Barking. Barking. And lastly, a billion blueberries. Love blueberries. Pretty ate so many blueberries. I'm so glad I found my love for blueberries again.
I was just looking at battery life. Fully charged. I finished my yogurt. I'm so close to finishing this video, and I just want to finish this video. And then I'm gonna take a break from this intense editing. I might do a little bit of like low-key editing. I just really need a laptop. I need a laptop so it can be in my bed and edit. I feel like that's what I really want. I've been wanting it for the past 2 weeks, and I have a problem with buying it right when I want it. And I think for this, since it's such a large purchase, I'm going to do as much on the computer as much as possible. I have a fully functioning computer. I don't need a laptop right now. So let's see how long I last. Later. It's finally time to have a little rest, a little break from just working or editing, all of that. Right, Leaner? She doesn't like talking to me sometimes. It's okay. Roommate things, you know? I'm just so tired. I know I said I wanted to do my lashes and my brows, but it's just, oh, I need a moment to just sit and do nothing. I'm really happy, and I'm glad I am scrolling less. That was really the thing that was killing my mood, killing my vibe, you know what I'm saying? And it being also a blizzard outside. Not a lot to do in New York when you're stuck in your shoebox apartment and you have work every day. The 9 to 5 grind. Finally got up from my rotting. This is the best night we've had all day. We together as one. Now I'm going to dedicate some time in plucking. I feel like my face is so numb to the pluck. Can't even feel it anymore. Kind of feels good actually. I understand why people pluck their pimples or like pop them. I was never really one to pop my pimples. Mostly because I learned before I got addicted that it would cause scarring, and I'm like, scarring, no. So I'm glad I did. Or if I got into popping pimples, I definitely would have popped so many and have gotten scars all over my face. Not that I don't. I have a bunch of scarring here that has not gone away for so many years. I don't know why those pimples, I didn't even pop them. They popped themselves and they've left scars on me forever. Anyways, I just got an email from the like late night shows that you can apply to in New York. And the one that I got into was the Seth Meyers one. But it's for tomorrow on a Tuesday at 2 p.m.
And it's just not even someone that I want to go see or that I'm interested in seeing. It's like, I need work. Working is, you know, something I gotta do. Like, I have 4 seats, 4 spots. So, I mean, no one else is available and free to go. It's like, what if I just change my name? Because, well, I can't change my name. I have to be the one to go. It's kind of the issue, you know? Like, if I could just keep applying to these and just, like, give them out to people, that would be almost more fun. Because then I'll be like, you want to do this? Here you go. But the fact is that I have to go, and that is kind of annoying. I don't know, maybe I'll just keep applying, and then if I get something that I really want to go see, then I'll take the time and effort to go see it. There's one tomorrow for Lizzo. Should have gotten that one. I feel like that one though is gonna be pretty jam-packed. Yeah, you gotta get a little lucky with these. It's kind of like applying for Broadway tickets, and you can get really lucky. But then what if like the timing isn't right and you can't go? I don't know. I should just apply. Okay. Should I keep a tail or should I? I'm thinking to get a little more adventurous. Oh, I do this every time. I always try to get a little bit more adventurous, and I kind of regret it sometimes. It's like, Kat, your face looks a little funny for the next week or so. Oh god, I know if I keep looking, it's gonna go somewhere. Oh god, right above my eyeball is kind of crazy too. Maybe instead of plucking, I just take some time in the morning to shape my brows. Okay, you know what? Screw that. I'm gonna pluck just a little bit more, especially on the front. I kind of want it to like angle downwards and center angle this way. I think that's a good shape. Plucked, unplucked. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. Hello, I'm back. I did my other brow, and I think they're cousins. I hate how they're not ever like symmetrical. Am I crazy? I think I'm crazy. I think I just need to accept that it's a crazy thought that they need to be exact. I think the problem I have though is like the end tails, like they grow differently, and the tops, like the middle, fine. But it's just the parts where they're important that they don't grow normally, and then I have to like spend, oh my god, too much effort just like trying to even them out just by plucking. They're not even, and I'm mad. This one is definitely taller. Or I'll go back and fix some. Yeah, I wanted to do my lashes first so that I like having them. Sometimes I take a break from them, and it's nice to take a break from them. Right now I do not want a break from lashes at all. I just want them on me at all times, and I'm happy to just keep reapplying and shoving a new set on whenever the next one pops off. And especially for these lashes, feels like they pop off every 4 days or so, which is something I don't hear about very often. I hear people being like, oh, they pop off like after a week or like 2 weeks, and I'm like, what are you guys are not like washing your faces at all? Like, I don't obviously rub my eyes every day, but like I'm washing my face, I'm putting my face under water. So it feels like, I don't know what y'all are doing. I feel like they have longer lashes to start with too. Like, my lashes are not that much, first of all, and also really short, and so making them grab hold and maintain fake lashes for longer than 4 days is apparently impossible. Another set. Perfect. Okay, and then 11. I can only put 4.
That's the problem too. I can only do 4 of these clusters, which I'm like, maybe it's my lashes that can't fit. I think that is. I think that's it. I just think that's it. Almost dropped it into my eyeball. 1 lash map done. The other side. Before we move on to the other side, I'm gonna put in some seal. And there we go. And not only do I just put it on all of the spots that had any sort of bond, but I learned this trick where you put the seal on the stick and then you press it in, using the clamp, and then it should, more often than not, bond the lashes to yours better. Leaner. Not at this moment, baby. Not at this moment, baby girl. I don't know what is going on today, but it is not sealing the best. I think I did the best I could. I'm gonna do my other side. And now that everything has been prepped, I feel like everything is off. I kind of miss the time when I didn't prep my eyebrows and my lashes and it was all just a mess. But I at least didn't have to think about all the mistakes that I made during the process. Things I need to constantly fix because I'm so just like in tune in the moment. I'm just like, everything has to be perfect, you know. But I do feel better internally. I just need to remind myself that my eyebrows will grow back and my lashes will fall off. And so none of this matters. I think it's some time for some tea, self-reflection, just a wind down time. Anyways, I think that's enough vlogging for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.